Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the top 3 altcoins to buy right now. But before we get into that, we're going to be looking at obviously the top gainers in this past week. So we're on this website right here, Crypto Bubbles, where we can take a look at all the cryptocurrencies right here by market cap and obviously our top gainers here in the past week or so. So as we can see, KP3R, so Keeper 3V1 here is the top gainer here in the past week of over 342%. Obviously, coming in the second spot, we see LTO. So LTO network here is up over 128%, as we can tell. Market cap at 197 million. And then we obviously have some few of these like IODEX right here, which is up about 115% at a 2 billion market cap. And so, a couple more of these little winners here that are still up close to 100%, like, Loop Ring. We have here Ethereum name service. We have Chromia and a couple of different ones like Wax. So these are obviously the top gainers here in the past week, and that's definitely something that we're going to be looking out for as momentum area. So coins like this that are pumping in the past week is an opportunity to be watching for the next week, obviously, because they could continue to go on higher and higher. So that's definitely something that we're going to be keeping a close eye out on, guys. So after that, here we're going to take a look. Top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be Crow. So Crow once again here up 20% here, trading at 46 cents. So we talked about this one in the past week or so. If you missed out that video, go check that video out, guys. As always, highest volume here is going to be Bitcoin. So Bitcoin continues to have the highest volume here compared to any of these other coins. And then obviously second place we have Ethereum. So Bitcoin at a 26.3 billion here in volume, Ethereum at 13.3 billion. Bitcoin is up 1.7%, Ethereum is up about 1.5%, as Bitcoin is over 65,000 and Ethereum close to 4,700 right now. We have some other gainers down here like Binance Coin, Solana, Ripple, all up about a percent or so. Dogecoin still trading in the mid 20s. Shiba Inu making a little bit of a pullback, and then some of these other momentum plays. Avalanche has finally broken through the $100 resistance that we've been talking about for the past few months. Obviously, we've been talking about how the $100 area is going to be a huge resistance, and Avalanche finally broke through it, guys. So that is definitely something we're going to be looking forward to, and we'll cover more of these altcoins towards the end of the video. But first of all, go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. Let's say for 100 plus likes in this video. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. So let's get into it, guys. First altcoin on this list is going to be Loop Ring LRC. So this one has been on a nice run here in the past month or so. In the past 24 hours, it is up about 12.77%, trading at almost $3 here. Highs of over $3 at one point. In the past week, this coin is up over 101%, guys. In the past month, 683%. Insane gains for anybody that got in pretty much at the end of October here at around 43 cents or so. Even if you got up here at around 50 or 60 cents at the end of October, you would have made some decent gains in the past 2 weeks. 600%, which means if you would have invested $1,000 into Loop Ring, you'd be up over $6,000 profit right now just in the past 2 weeks. So insane momentum here with Loop Ring. 4 billion market cap, 2.2 billion in volume, which is 122% higher than usual. Typical hold time on this coin is going to be 10 days. It is ranked the number 32 coin, but it keeps on climbing these rankings, guys. 57% buy and 43% sell rating on this coin. For those of you who aren't familiar with Loop Ring is an Ethereum token that describes itself as an open source, audited, and non-custodial exchange protocol. It aims to allow anyone to build non-custodial order book-based exchanges on Ethereum by leveraging zero-knowledge proofs. So this coin, obviously, definitely one we're going to be keeping an eye out on here in the past year. I mean, it literally did nothing here. Last December, it continued to go higher here, hit highs, and then pull back down. And then just recently here at the end of October, going into, November right here, we're seeing a huge momentum play with Loop Ring. So we're going to be watching this one very closely to see if this momentum will continue to go higher in the next week and if this will continue to rise. So we're at $3 right now. I would not be surprised to see Loop Ring trading at over $5 in the upcoming weeks. So it's definitely going to be one that we're going to be watching very closely, guys. Add it to your radar and let's see what happens. Then we have number 2, our second altcoin on this list is going to be VeChain VET. So in the past 24 hours, this one is up about 1.8%. Past week, 5.6%. Past month, this is up over 37%. And then on the 1 year chart, 1,408%. So last November, this was trading at around 1 cent, guys. VeChain was trading at 1 cent. We hit highs here in April at 28 cents, which, we're still far away. We're about 12 cents away from that area, which gives us about a 75% upside or so just to get all to the all-time high area, I guess you could say. pulled back down to lows of about 6 cents or 5 cents here in July. And from this 5 cents area, we've made about a 200% gain. As you guys can see, pull back down in September to 8 cents again and continue to pump on higher, making a 100% profit here from September to November. So right now we're in an upward trend. We're broken through this first resistance at around 15 cents. Now we're going to be waiting for that next resistance closer to the 20 cents area. Current market cap on this coin is going to be 10.6 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 514.9 million. And then obviously the all-time highs at 28 cents like we said. VeChain is a cryptocurrency and smart contracts platform focused on supply chain management and allows manufacturers to add sensors such as RFID tags to their products that can then record data onto the VeChain blockchain. So this coin continues to go higher, and if we were to break, through that 28 cents area, let's just say 30 cents area, we would be trading at around $20 billion market cap on this coin. So this coin would double in market cap as well. So it's definitely something we're going to be watching, obviously, towards the end of 2021 and going into 2022, VeChain. So our third altcoin on this list is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom, a coin that we've talked about for a few months now. We've definitely discovered it on our channel for a while. In the past 24 hours, it's made a 1% gain. So throughout the day, obviously, pull back down, and then here Sunday night into Monday morning, we saw a huge pump. In the past week, we're down about 7% or so. Past month, down 4%. Hitting highs up here of about $43. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, 566% higher. Last November, we were trading at $5. We hit highs here in February, pulled back down, hit new highs, and then hit new highs again in May at almost $30. So higher highs and lower lows, and then we pulled back down with the rest of the market to lows of under $9 at one point, and then we hit highs of over $40. So about a 300% gain right there. We're pulling back down a little bit. Hopefully, we stay around this support level. This is where we're seeing a support level around this area, which was a previous, resistance area. So previous resistance areas become new support levels. That is something we always talk about on this channel. So the $30 range is hoping for us to, hold there. 7.5 billion market cap currently. Volume is average at around 351 million. Typical hold time is going to be 35 days. It is ranked the number 23 coin on the list. 65% buy and 35% sell activity. So Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof of stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward. Now, how does all this work? Well, the main idea of Cosmos is to actually allow for faster and cheaper decentralized applications, anything from an NFT marketplace to a decentralized exchange, by allowing them to run on their own dedicated blockchains. Now, all of these independent blockchains are interconnected by the Inter Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC. Cosmos also provides developers with pre-built modules that allow them to quickly create blockchains that are completely customizable for their specific use case. Now, the Cosmos Consensus Engine, IBC protocol, and software developer kit are designed to enable ease of use and interoperability between chains while maintaining the security and transaction cost and speed developers would expect from other leading blockchain platforms. So something to keep in mind is obviously you can earn rewards by staking your Atom coins, and that is definitely another thing that we love to talk about is staking. So staking your coins is another source of passive income that you can get if you believe in your coin for a long term and you do not care what happens if it's locked up. You do not plan on selling no matter what happens, guys. So those are our three altcoin guys right now. Next up, we're going to be just looking at the rest of the market, see how everything's performing. Like we said, first of all, Solana up about 1% here, still trading at close to the all-time high areas that it's been. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu still trading at the same areas pretty much that they have been for the past few weeks. Obviously, we saw a lot of these other altcoins that are pumping right now, like Crow, which is up about 17% or so, making some nice moves right here in the past few hours. So next up, we have Bitcoin here, which is up about 1.5% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, it's up almost 4%. Past month, 14%. Past year, 314%, making some decent gains here in the past year or so. So $1.2 trillion market cap currently on Bitcoin. Volume in the past 24 hours is at 26.4 billion. And then obviously the typical hold time is going to be 75 days with 63% buy and 37% sell activity on Bitcoin as well. So Bitcoin is doing pretty well here. Ethereum pretty much same pattern here. In the past 24 hours, it's up about 1% almost. In the past week, 1.8%, past month, 24%. And then on the 1 year chart, over 954%, guys. So Ethereum here at this 4,700 area. As we can see, the all-time high is at $4,858, $556.7 billion market cap, which is 7% of the crypto market space. Volume here at 13.3 billion, which is actually pretty average, and 74 typical whole time days on this coin, with 68% buy and 32% sell activity. So people are definitely loading up here on Ethereum and Bitcoin, pretty much same thing. So both of these coins are close to all-time highs, and we're going to be expecting them to, continue to go on higher into the end of 2021. And I would not be surprised to see Bitcoin over 70,000 and Ethereum over 5,000 in the near future, guys. You guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think is going to happen in the crypto market space, and what do you think about all these altcoins? Are any of them on your watch list? As always, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope you guys see you in the next one. Goodbye.